In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable chimes on Apple Watch Series 9. So, if chime is enabled on your Apple Watch or you feel haptics or sound vibration while your Apple Watch is in your wrist every 15 minutes, 1 hour or 30 minutes, then you can easily disable this feature. So if at the end of this video, you found this useful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to disable or turn off chimes on Apple Watch Series 9, is click on these two crown ones to go to the app library. On the app library, click on settings icon. Then I want to scroll down until you go to accessibility. Click on it. Now once you click on accessibility, you want to scroll down. Keep scrolling. And then you should see chimes. Then click on that. Then once you tap chimes, you should see the chimes enabled. Now to turn off or disable chimes on your Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is just disable this. And once that is disabled, your Apple Watch will stop playing the selected sound and haptics every 1 hour or 15 minutes or 30 minutes based on the schedule here. So that's how you can easily turn off or disable chimes on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.